so high. Sliding down, we zoom and fly. Jump in the pool, the fun begins. We laugh and giggle with big wide grins. The waves go up, waves come down. We float and spin and splash around. Sunny skies and water play. It's a super splashing day. Twisty slide, here we go. Round and round, then down below. Zooming fast and squealing loud. We're flying through the misty cloud. Spray guns blasting left and right. Water fights with joy and might. Running through the fountains tall. We slip, we slide, we splash, we fall. Buckets tip and water pours. We rush and laugh and shout for more. Rainbow showers, splishy splash. We dash through puddles in a flash. Lazy river, drifting slow. Waving as the others go. Float along with ducky boats. Sailing gently as laughter floats. Jumping into water deep. We splash the lifeguard in one leap. Cannonballs and spinning dives. It's the best day of our lives. Bubble zones with foamy fun. We giggle till the day is done. Big balloons and bouncing games. We all laugh and shout our names. Dance beneath the waterfall. Water sparkles, music calls. Spinning, jumping, dancing crew. The water park is dream come true. Sunset glows, it's almost night, but we're still splashing with delight. One last slide, then wave goodbye. Until tomorrow when we'll fly. Coming, buckle through the sunny lane. Wheels spin fast like a speeding train. Honks its horn with a peep peep sound. Zooming and zooming all around. Train goes choo-choo on the track. Clickety-clack, no turning back. Steam is puffing, doors go wide. All aboard for a jolly ride. Buzzer, bus goes beep-beep through the street. Stops for kids in comfy seats. Doors swing open, kids climb in. Let the happy ride begin. Airplane zooms into the sky. Flying fast and soaring high. Wings spread wide like birds that glide. Up above we take a ride. Boat goes splash on the deep blue sea. Sailing smoothly, wild and free. Waves go swish and seagulls call. Let's sail where adventures fall. Bicycle rings with a ding-ding cheer. Pedals spinning far and near. Helmets on and off we go. Riding fast or riding slow. Truck goes rumble down the track, carrying boxes stacked in the back. Through the hills and fields it roars, dropping off at every door. Helicopter, whirly whirly chopper flies, spinning blades up in the skies. Round and up so high, like a dragonfly in the sky. Scooter zips down the little street, zig and zag on tiny feet. With a giggle and a grin, hold on tight, let's begin. All together. Cars and trains and boats so grand. Planes that fly and trucks that land. Scooters, bikes and buses too. All the rides for me and you. Cars and trains and boats so grand. Planes that fly and trucks that land. Scooters, bikes and buses too. All the rides for me and you. Airplane zooms into the sky. Flying fast and soaring high. Wings spread wide like birds that glide. Up above we take a ride. Boat goes splash on the deep blue sea. Sailing smoothly, wild and free. Waves go swish and seagulls call. Let's sail where adventures. Bicycle rings with the ding-ding cheer. Paddle spinning far and near. Helmets on and off we go. Riding fast or riding slow. Truck goes rumble down the track, carrying boxes stacked in the back. Through the hills and fields it roars, dropping off at every door. Helicopter, whirly whirly chopper flies, spinning blades. 5 little geese went out to play. Over the hills and far away. Mother goose called honk honk honk, but only 4 came back along. Four little geese flew through the sky, swooping down then flying high. Mother Goose called honk, 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 but only three came back along. Three little geese swam in the stream, floating gently like a dream. Mother Goose called honk, 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 but only two came back along. Two little geese ran through the sand, flapping their wings across the land. Mother Goose called honk, 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 but only one came back along. One little goose sat on a rock, looking around the grassy dock. Mother Goose called honk, 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 but on came back to Mother's flock. Mother Goose flapped through the breeze, swooping through the fields and trees. She honked out loud, honk, 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 and found one goose beside the pond. Then by a log she found one more, hiding behind a grassy shore. She said again, honk, honk, honk. Now three geese waddled back along. One more flew down from a tree, laughing loud in playful glee. Mother called honk, honk, honk. Now four geese marched back along. The last one came with a joyful cheer. Sorry, Mom, I had fun here. She smiled and said, honk, honk, honk. Now all five geese came back along. Five little geese back safe and sound, waddling home they spun around. Mother Goose said, honk, 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 and off they went to play along. One little piggy, soft and shy, purring gently when you went by. Whiskers wiggle, tail up high, let's count the cats, give it a try. Meow, meow, let's count now. Soft little paws will show you how. Two kids bouncing on a ball, chasing shadows down the hall. Rolling, tumbling, see them run, counting together, it's such fun. Meow, meow, let's count now. Fluffy friends who like you, well done. Sat on a wall, he wobbled and giggled, ready to fall. Along came children, clapping with cheer. Humpty laughed loud, spreading joy far and near. Humpty Dumpty danced on the wall, twirling and spinning, he almost did fall. The king's men shouted, careful up there, but Humpty just waved with joy everywhere. Humpty Dumpty rocked side to side, he spread his arms and opened them wide. The horses trotted around with delight, keeping old Humpty safe in their sight. Humpty Dumpty tried to stand tall, balanced balancing slowly, afraid he might fall. The children clapped, "You can do it, friend." His wobbling balance held till the end. Humpty Dumpty slipped just a bit. "Oh no," he cried, "I nearly split." The king's men rushed with laughter and glee. "Don't worry, Humpty, we'll help thee." Humpty Dumpty bounced up high, reaching his hands to the bright blue sky. The birds flew past and cheered on too, singing a song as the sunshine grew. Humpty Dumpty slipped once more, rolling gently across the floor. The horses neighed and formed a ring, protecting their friend like a caring king. Humpty Dumpty laughed with glee, falling is fun, just wait and see. The king's men chuckled, the children played, everyone danced in the sunny parade. Humpty Dumpty rolled down low, then bounced right back with a magical glow. The wall lit up with sparkles bright, turning the world to a scene of delight. Humpty Dumpty stood once again, cheered by children, horses, and men. He sang out loud, "Let's all be friends." And so the story of Humpty never ends.